Introduction. In the last decade, artificial intelligence, AI, has evolved from a futuristic concept into an integral part of our daily lives. From voice assistants like Siri and Alexa to self-driving cars and AI-driven medical diagnoses, the impact of AI is undeniable. But how exactly is AI changing our world, and what does the future hold? AI in everyday life. AI has seamlessly integrated into our routines, often without us realizing it. Recommendation algorithms on Netflix and Spotify, facial recognition on smartphones, and even spam filters in our emails are all powered by AI. Businesses leverage AI chatbots to enhance customer service, while e-commerce platforms use AI to personalize shopping experiences. AI in healthcare. One of the most promising applications of AI is in healthcare. Machine learning algorithms can detect diseases like cancer with higher accuracy than human doctors. AI-driven robots assist in surgeries, reducing human error and improving patient outcomes. Wearable health devices, powered by AI, track vital signs and predict potential health risks, allowing for early intervention. AI in the workplace. AI is reshaping industries by automating repetitive tasks and improving efficiency. In manufacturing, robots powered by AI assemble products with precision. In finance, AI detects fraudulent transactions and helps in algorithmic trading. While some fear AI will replace jobs, experts argue that it will create new opportunities, requiring workers to develop AI-related skills. AI in transportation. Self-driving cars, once a dream, are now becoming a reality. Companies like Tesla and Waymo are developing autonomous vehicles that promise safer roads and reduce traffic congestion. AI-powered traffic management systems optimize signal timings, reducing travel time and fuel consumption. The ethical concerns of AI. With great power comes great responsibility. AI raises ethical questions about privacy, security, and bias. Deepfake technology can manipulate videos and spread misinformation, while biased AI algorithms can reinforce discrimination. Governments and tech companies must work together to establish ethical AI regulations. The future of AI. AI's potential is limitless. From space exploration to climate change solutions, AI is set to revolutionize every aspect of life. However, balancing innovation with ethical considerations will be crucial. As AI continues to evolve, it's up to humanity to ensure that it serves as a force for good. Conclusion. AI is no longer just science fiction. It's a driving force behind technological progress. Whether in healthcare, business, or transportation, AI is shaping the world in ways we never imagined. As we embrace this transformation, we must navigate its challenges responsibly to create a future where AI enhances human rather than replaces them.